My beautiful angels, this is Mystic C from Magic Vents Tarot, and this is who is coming next for you in love for air signs Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Yes, friends, this is a chance initials readings, friends, so stay tuned for that and make sure to subscribe Magic Vents Tarot and click the bell icon so you never miss a reading. And if you have already subscribed, thank you so much. Many angel blessings, friends. Friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not, so take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, friends, this is a timeless reading. Whenever you come across this reading, it will help you and resonate with you. It is done in ways like fire sign, air sign, earth, and water sign. So you can check your sign, your rising sign, and your sun sign, rising sign, and the moon sign, friends. So this is for Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. You can cross watch it for an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Let's see. Let's begin, friends. Let's not waste any more time. So how are you feeling, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini? Let's see that currently. How are you feeling? And then we'll go into who is coming towards you. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. How are they feeling? Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, how are they feeling currently? Your cards don't want to come out. Hermit, wow, you are thinking. How are they feeling, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini? Ooh, Four of Cups. You are in deep thoughts, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. You are also a little bored out of love and life. Ooh. Nine of Wands. Yes, you are bored, but you are not giving up. You are literally bored of your love life or frustrated, unhappy, but you don't want to give up on your love life or on yourself. You are also behaving or feeling a little antisocial, or I do feel that you are confused. You're looking, let me just clarify the Hermit. I feel you are confused about some situation in your life, like Queen of Cups. Yeah, absolutely. Let's discuss. Let's discuss. Yes, friends. Who you are so loving, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. You are extremely loving and you want to offer this love, or you want someone else to love you. Maybe a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is on your mind. But somehow, you are confused about this situation or your love life. If you are really single, you are really confused about your love life. You are also feeling very unhappy and frustrated and bored, and you are like, oh, nothing is changing. What's going on? Aquarius, Libra, Gemini don't like same things again and again. They want change. They are good. They like change sometimes. They like when things are moving fast. But you're not giving up. You're not giving up. You're like, yes, I will change my life. Life will change. My love life will get better. I will not always stay here alone, single. I will not always keep waiting for this person, this Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person who is not showing up, who is not giving love to you right now, who is in a hermit mode. You are determined that you will not wait for them, or you will not, you're sure you will change your love life. You will work for it. Even though you are bored, things will shift. Even though there is no good match around right now, you are like, things will shift. You will do something about it. Wow, that's powerful. That's very powerful, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Let's see who is coming towards you next in love. Then we'll see some initials to clarify so that you can get even more information if who person is coming. You can also get some words. Who is coming in love for Aquarius, Libra, Gemini? Who is coming towards Aquarius, Libra, Gemini? Wow, the Hierophant. Someone traditional. Aquarius, who is coming towards Aquarius, Libra, Gemini? Someone who has not made up their mind. Two of Swords. Wow, Ace of Cups, new offers of love. Six of Pentacles, the Judgment in reversed. Who is coming towards Aquarius, Libra, Gemini? The Star, wish is coming true. The Fool, a new start. Who is coming? Who is this person, angels? Can you give me a clear guidance? Oh my god, it's a Knight of Pentacles. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Let's see. Oops. Sorry, friends, I have to pick that card up. All right. Sorry for that. It just slipped off the table. Whew. So, friends, I do feel there is a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus coming towards you, friends. Yes, this person could be someone younger than you, or they could be your age. I feel this person is, and you have an age gap and cultural difference. And I feel you both are living in some other cities or countries. I feel you already know this person, most of you, or some of you. If you are extremely single, this is a new person coming towards you. But I do feel I will talk about it later if you are single, but if you already know this person, yes, they are coming back. And this time, why they are coming? Because they want to do justice to you. They want to be this right person for you. They want to fix some rights, they want to right, some wrongs. They want to right them again. They want to fix the situation, correct the situation. I feel also you have some soul contract with this person, some lessons with this person, some cycles, some things are still yet to happen in this connection. That's why they are coming back. But you will not find it easy to trust them. You will not find it easy to trust them because you know you once loved this person, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. You offered them this cup of love, but they didn't choose you. So you will have a tough time in accepting their offer of love, but they will still make this offer of love to you. This Ace of Cups, yes, they are going to offer you love and they are going to serenade you. They are going to shower you with affection, compliments, love. I feel this person has been keeping quiet since a long, long time. So they want to come towards you and talk to you. They want to do justice to you. But they are a little scared of you, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. They fear that you will be very harsh on them. You will just say the truth. Aquarius, Libra, Geminis. Many people say I don't say the truth because if you know me, I'm an Aquarius. I can't lie. I'm like an outright truth speaker. I'm like, there it goes. It may hurt you, but there it goes. Aquarius, Libra, Geminis, all of us are like that. We are not into people pleasing. This person will have a tough time. If they have hurted you, if they have done you something wrong, you are like, nope, no, not taking you back. Mister, not taking you back. Oh my god. You're gonna say some things to this person, trust me. If they are coming back, you're going to say some things. You will ask them some tough questions. But I do feel that some of you are trying to manifest a new relationship or a new lover. So some of you are trying to manifest a new relationship or this lover back. I also feel some of you are really destined for an amazing relationship. You are trying to manifest it, a beautiful partnership. Yes, it is coming your way, and this new start will happen for you. This new amazing love is coming for you. I do feel this person will try to reach out to you. This Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person from your past, they want to reach out to you. For some of you it will work out with them. For others of you, you will not accept this person back because you feel they hurted you too much. But you have some contract with this person. I keep getting that because here it's like there is some contract. You will talk with this person. Some things need to be balanced, some things need to be healed. If you're really, really single, this is a new person coming towards you, friends. If you don't know this person from the past, this person is coming towards you. It's a new person. You will meet them through social media or through some universities, colleges, libraries, maybe in I feel like you will meet them in a supermarket or something, in some religious place also. You will meet them there in some group about some spiritual group. You will meet them there, this new person, but you will feel very unsure about them. They will propose you, but you will not be able to accept that proposal. They will try to convince you, they will try to win you over, but I do feel it will take some time for you to trust them. And once you do, there will be a powerful, amazing offer, amazing depth in this connection once you trust each other. So who is coming for Aquarius, Libra, Gemini? Let's see what else. So there are two things. Some of you know this person, they are coming back, but you may or may not accept them. It's up to you. For others who are really, really single with no past, this is a new person, but you will have a tough time trusting them, maybe because they are married or they had been divorced once upon a time. I keep getting that song from Ed Sheeran, Perfect. It's like it's like that jazz song is playing in the background, you're perfect for me. So this person is like begging you, you're perfect for me. Can you come back? Oh my God, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, you are acing in love. Trust me, even though you feel there is no love life, nothing is happening, many people want you. Oh, see why everybody wants you. Look at that. Oh, mama, mama mia. Yes, friends, you are the emperor or the empress. You have a lot to offer. People know that and people recognize that. And everybody wants to have you they want to respect you, keep you well. So, yes, you are going to come in your power. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, if someone has hurted you, they are coming back to apologize and fix things with you. If you are single, a new romance is coming for you to mingle and enjoy your life. Who is coming towards Aquarius, Libra, Gemini? Magician, the seven of... Someone is trying to manifest you. You are also trying to manifest. Oh my God. I see Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. I see two things here. What? You are manifesting someone amazing. You are you are manifesting a partner that's out of this world, a relationship, a love that's pure, that's divine. And there is this another person who has ghosted you, hurted you from your past, trying to manifest you back in your life. Imagine that. So much of manifestations happening. This is 2020, friends. Yes, this is 2020. I think you need to hear the song Perfect by Ed Sheeran. I hope I pronounced his name right, because when I'm channeling, I just don't know what I'm saying sometimes. Happens. Oh my God, super powerful Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Let's see what's your advice. Then we're gonna look into the charms. Let's see. What's your advice? Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, look at that. It just flew off. Shine. Yes, friends, don't doubt yourself. Don't doubt if you are single. Don't doubt if you are ready to mingle. Don't doubt your love life. You are amazing. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, people want you. Everybody wants you. Shine. Go out and enjoy your life. Don't even think why you are single. Because everybody wants you, but you are choosy. That's why. Oh my God. Oh my God. I think I'm picking up some Gemini or Libra vibes today. Wow, this is amazing. Sadness and isolation. Number 3, you are going to move out of this sadness and isolation. Trust me, you are going to move out of this hermit's energy into light, into this amazing. You are going to burst into happiness. And look at this 8 of Swords, control. I think you should follow your intuition, friends. Your intuition is guiding you towards the right relationships, towards the right people. And yes, things are going to shift in your love life. You are going to get a very nice partner, a very beautiful soulmate, or some reunion with a past partner. Friends, trust, don't doubt, and trust your intuition. You will know. You can rely on your intuition this time. You will know what to do in a situation. Let's pull some romance angels messages for you quickly. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Let me know if you enjoy these kind of readings. Should I do them more often? Because I want to know what you like. Finances and career. Financial issues are a factor in your love life. Yes, friends, your focus is mostly on finances. You are focusing on finances, on your career. You are in between trying to manifest love, but you are acing in your career. You want your career, forgiving and learning. As you release and heal the past, you experience more love in the present moment. So definitely someone wants your forgiveness, someone wants you to forgive them for their past mistakes. What else? Attraction very soon. Oh my god. Oh my god. Now you understand why I'm so excited with this reading for you, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. You attract romantic love by enjoying this moment fully. See? Again, magician, you are attracting, you are manifesting. Everybody is attracted towards you very soon. Clearly decide what you want so it comes to you now. So I feel you have both options, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. You can have the past person or a new lover. It's up to you. Just decide what you want and it will come to you. That's what the gods and the universe wants to give to you. Let's see some words, charms, initials for Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Wow. Let's see. Yeah, focus on yourself. U, O, A, lots of vowels. G, A. Oh my god. Someone could be gay. Or maybe you are in a gay relationship or something. Nothing bad about it. No judgments. Gay could also be like, feel happy about things. There is also the letter R. Maybe someone is dealing with sexual issues, sexual complexities. People deal with these things nowadays. I don't know, maybe it's 2020 people, and this is blank, so if their letter is not here, you can take that. I also see UFO. Wow. Maybe you are dealing with some indigo person or someone who is different than you, someone very different than you, or maybe you are different, like a light worker. I don't know if you're familiar with those terms or not. UFO is there. X, yes, someone from your past is there. There is also C. So there is U, F, O, G, A, Y, I, A, S, L, R, C, and X. Let's see if I can make some words. Wow, lay, slay. Wow, you are slaying, baby. I told you, you are the empress. You are attracting romantic love. You don't even realize it. You are attracting a lot of people. You are slaying, baby. You are slaying, yes. So keep in that energy. And what else? There is also clay. I think you should, clay reminds me, like, don't write your mistakes in stone. Write them in a clay so that you can, remove them when it's necessary. When it's written in the stone, it's forever. Write them in clay. Make your heart as soft as a clay. I think someone likes you, because you have a very soft heart. Or they have a very soft heart or corner for you. I don't know, I keep getting a musician. Someone wants to say something to you. Maybe someone wants to sing something to you. I don't know. There is the say word also here. So someone wants to say something to you. There is also the word raga. So maybe, they definitely are a singer or a musician, or maybe you are attracting a musician or something like that. Raga. Maybe that's the name. So those are the words I can see for you right now. I don't see any other words. Maybe... No, I don't see any other words actually. Yeah, so X, you can see the words. Here they are. Can you see them? Here. UFO and blank and AJGAY XSLLCR. Those are your words, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. I hope it resonated with you. Let me know how you enjoyed this reading. If it resonated, let me know in the comment section. And to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicwenstarot.com. Join us on Instagram as Magic Tarot. This is Mystic C saying bye.